Looking for a cost-equipped way to keep your home cool in summer and warm in winter? A multi-split air conditioner offers energy efficiency, personalised temperature control, and a sleek design, all while lowering your energy bills. With one outdoor unit supporting multiple rooms, you save space and enjoy tailored comfort in every area of your home. Even better, through Victoria's VEU Program, you could receive up to $7,000 in government rebates when upgrading to an energy-efficient system. That's real savings while reducing your carbon footprint. Upgrade your home today, take advantage of government incentives, and start saving.